Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now maybe you watched our earlier video, where this very skilled craftsman created part of a water feature. It really was amazing to see. Now in this video, he is going to create the bottom pot, a much larger pot that the water feature will pour the water into. Here in Thailand, most of these pots are home to many small and tiny fish. It really is an interesting concept, and when finished, is actually quite cool. You will see these features in many houses around Thailand. So as you can see, he follows the same concept in how he makes this pot. Shaping the base, and gradually forcing the sides upwards, just like before. The guide sticks are the only way he has of telling how high the pot needs to be. But what he doesn't have, is a guide to tell him how wide the pot should be. Instead he has to use his memory and judgment, to get him as close as possible. Okay, so let's speed this up and get to the next part. So as you can see now, the pot is really starting to take shape. Now the height of the pot is perfect, and all he is doing now, is gradually making the pot wider and wider. Remember, he has to do this, all based on memory and judgment. Alright, so let's speed this up and get to the next part. Now here is a really cool part. Look at what he is doing with his thumb. He is creating 3 separate single grooves. These will become more apparent in a minute. Finally he finishes off the sides, just like he did before on the smaller pot we watched him create. Now check this out. So to create the ripples around the top of the pot, he uses the side of his hand to force the shape out that he wants to create. Look at how symmetrical they are. I know if I tried this they would definitely not all look the same for sure. And now you can see the 3 grooves at the top of the pot. These are the ones that he created earlier with his thumb. So now as you can see, the pot is almost finished. All that is required now is a few final finishing touches, and then one last readjustment of the width of the pot. And that's it, another fantastic pot has been created. Now all that needs to be done is to place the pot in the kiln, and then it is off to be painted. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching our video, and please remember to subscribe to our channel for lots more videos. Thanks for watching.